Hello and welcome to section 4 of this FTK Imager course. In this section, I will walk you through the installation process for FTK Imager, as well as provide a brief overview of the tool's interface and features. First, we will discuss the importance of ensuring that you are using the latest version of FTK Imager and provide instructions on how to download and install the latest version from the Xtero website. Next, I will guide you through the installation process for FTK Imager, including selecting installation options and configuring the tool to meet your needs. In addition to installing FTK Imager on your computer, I will also show you how to install the tool on a USB drive, which can be useful for investigators or who need to collect evidence on the go. By the end of this section, you will have a clear understanding of how to install and set up FTK Imager on your computer or USB drive, as well as a basic familiarity with the tool's interface and features. So let's get started.